Hey everyone, you're watching Mr. Black Hacks. In this video, I'm going to show how to install ngrok in your termux. First, you open your termux and type apt update and upgrade and hit enter. Wait for some time. It will be successfully updated. Once it is successfully updated, go for your browser and type ngrok and hit enter. You need to get sign up here. Once you get sign up, you will enter into the ngrok. Now click on download for Linux. Download. That's it. Once it is downloaded, open your file browser and click on downloads. And now extract here and move this file to your internal storage. Okay, now go for your browser again and copy this second link. Once you be now paste that in your termux machine and hit enter. So the auto token is successfully saved. Now type /ngrok space http space 80 and hit enter. Yeah, you must have switched on your hotspot for this, and now the ngrok server is successfully downloaded, and that's it.